A Thai student team has earned runner-up honors in a sustainable competition, showcasing an innovative approach to marine conservation. The team Care for Coral proposed establishing coral farms to restore deteriorating reefs and support marine biodiversity. The project was recognized for its practicality and long-term environmental benefits. The team emphasized the urgency of intervention, warning that coral reefs could decline by 90% by 2050 without action. The Generation Hope Goals competition, held at the 12th Asia-Pacific Forum on Sustainable Development in Bangkok, encourages youth to develop scalable solutions for environmental challenges. Organized by Save the Children and partners, the contest targets participants aged 16 to 24.